This last video is quite short. It's a continuation of blood infections. I'm sure you've heard of malaria. It's a parasitic disease caused by several different species of Plasmodium. We used to have malaria in the United States, and the prediction is that it will come back as weather warms up. Malaria kills 1.5 to 3 million people over the planet each year. Half of these are babies and children. It's transmitted by the mosquito. What happens is when that mosquito infects you, it's a female mosquito. She needs a blood meal for her eggs. So when she puts her proboscis or her nose in you, she kind of like blows her nose into you with an anticoagulant. And if she's infected with any kind of disease, she will blow that disease. She will inject that disease right into you. So these plasmodia, the plasmodia affect the liver and later infect the red blood cell. And what happens is they all multiply at exactly the same time. So if you have 10 red blood cells that are infected with the parasite, they will all rupture at the same time, and that causes cycles of fever and chill. And these dead red blood cells will block blood vessels, and then those escaped parasites will all infect new red blood cells, and it spreads this way. It is preventable. Leukemias are cancers of blood-forming tissue. The cancerous cells spread from their origin in the red bone marrow, and the symptoms appear, what you'll normally see are large, immature white blood cells in circulation. And leukemia is fatal if untreated. There are two types of leukemia, myeloid and lymphoid leukemia, depending on which cells are multiplying. And this last one, you can skip that one. What is being depleted in DIC? We skipped that one, so let's ignore that. What type of anemia would lead to the production of microcytic red blood cells? Tiny red blood cells. That would be iron deficiency anemia. Which of these is caused by a congenital defect? Thalassemia.